Quick update on the Odyssey. I've got the cylinder pre-machined. Piston is on order, so that should be here at the end of this week, and then hopefully get that machined and installed sometime next weekend if I'm lucky, but probably about 2 weeks. But a couple things that I put together since the last video. Painted the bumper black. I got the front belly pan on. I did end up mounting those lights on the outboard side. They don't fit on the inboard side, so I'm not sure if I really like that. Made some little brackets just so I could bolt the later model bumper on. Obviously, this isn't going to be great in a heavy impact, but hopefully I don't run into anything. I got bored, so I painted the white lettering. Looks okay from a distance. Got the belt guards painted. I just covered up the factory decals and painted around them. Engine is installed. Obviously, cylinder's not in, piston's not in, but got everything all wired up. Got the pull start on. Got the exhaust mocked up. I forgot I don't have the rubber mounts, so those are on order. This cheap battery I got off Amazon is kind of ridiculous. I wish it didn't say pirate battery, but whatever. I'm not sure I really like that. I might need to shorten that cable, kind of a kink there, or I'm not sure how else to do that. But yeah, now I've got high beams and low beams, which work. So there's my low beam. And then high beam. So, I guess that's kind of cool. Battery's charging. I've got everything else pretty much ready to install once the jug shows up. I've got this 35mm carb that actually came off my other FL250 and is a little too big. But this is gonna have the CR250 head on it and the aftermarket exhaust. So I'm hoping that will run pretty good. So yeah, pretty excited about this. Last few things, not even gonna rebuild that carb because it ran okay. So I think it's just a matter of getting everything installed. It's got a brand new belt on it. Yeah, I need to run the fuel line, put oil in the gearbox. Oh yeah, I did install the rubber foot pads with those well nuts. I mean, it's not perfect, but they're easy to remove if they are ever needed to come off for some reason. So yeah, pretty excited to get it up and running. Keeping my eye out for a trailer so I can haul both of these things around. And hopefully the next video will be me ripping around my driveway, if nothing else.